Hi friends, this is Hemant sir. In the last video, we have completed the chemical reaction of aldehyde and ketone with the nucleophiles. So let's continue the same point from the chapter number 12 aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid. The first reaction will be aldol condensation and second reaction will be cross aldol condensation. Today we will discuss thoroughly aldol condensation and cross aldol condensation, which is most important topic. So let's start. Here aldol condensation. Aldol, the word actually made by the two compounds. One is aldehyde and second one is a alcohol. When this aldehyde and alcohol reaction take place, the resulting product will be aldol. And condensation means a water molecule can be formed from the reaction. Hence, the name of this reaction is called aldol condensation. Aldehydes containing at least one alpha hydrogen atom undergoes the reaction in presence of dilute alkali like dilute NaOH, KOH or sodium carbonate as a catalyst. In the first stage, it gives the beta hydroxyaldehydes. Beta hydroxyaldehyde is nothing but the aldol. Why? Because the beta hydroxyaldehyde having alcohol group as well as the aldehydes. Hence, the common name will be aldol. This reaction is known as a aldol reaction. Formation of aldol is an addition reaction. Aldol from formaldehyde having alpha hydrogen undergoes subsequent elimination of water molecule on warming, giving rise to alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Let's see the textual example. See here. Here this part is called aldehyde. Okay. This part is called aldehyde. The aldehyde having two alkyl group. One is this methylene part and this one is a methyl group. There are two aldehydes. Correct. The common name of this group is propanol. Okay. According IUPAC, it is propanol. Okay. The neighbor carbon of carbonyl carbon is called as alpha hydrogen. See, this carbon means what? See, C double bond O and H. This is the structure of the aldehyde. Then this aldehyde having CH2 group and are attached at the terminal position of the methylene group. Okay, this part is called as a carbonyl group. This part is called carbonyl group. A neighbor carbon, this one, this neighbor carbon of the carbonyl carbon is called as alpha carbon. Okay, and hydrogen atom attached to the alpha carbon is called as the alpha hydrogens. Hence, there are two alpha hydrogen atom which is completely and closely attached with the carbonyl carbons. Correct? Means this propanol structure have two alpha hydrogen atom. Clear? Okay. So this propanol treated with aqueous sodium hydroxide. Okay. It is dilute alkali. When this dilute alkali react with twice of aldehyde, resulting product is aldol. Resulting product is what? Aldol. And after heating, means this aldol further heated, it gives alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. This is called as alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Why this is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde? Because see this carbon having oxygen and the neighbor carbon is called as alpha, and the neighbor carbon of the alpha is called as a beta. Hence, it is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Why unsaturated? Because the carbon carbon having double bond. Hence, it is unsaturated. Okay. Now see exactly what happened in this reaction. Let's see the example again. The overall reaction actually is called as a Aldol condensation. It is a nucleophilic addition elimination reaction. Correct? As a nucleophile, we use here aqueous NaOH. A addition reaction take place initially and then water molecule eliminated. Hence, it is called as a nucleophilic addition elimination reaction. Let's see we have the example of the textual. See, this is ethanol. Okay, ethanol. This part is aldehyde. The neighbor carbon is called as alpha carbon. Hence, there are three alpha hydrogen. Clear? This part is called as a carbonyl carbon. The neighbor carbon of the carbonyl carbon is called as alpha carbon. And hydrogen atom attached directly with the carbon, alpha carbon. Hence, the hydrogen is called as alpha hydrogen atom. I think clear to you. When this ethanol or twice of ethanol, okay, with twice of ethanol, दोनों same है, both are same. Okay. When this ethanol react with the aqueous alkali like sodium hydroxide, okay, a NaOH dissociate and form the sodium plus and OH minus ion. This one minus and this one positive. There is hydrogen on the alpha carbon. Okay. This negative part of the reagent donate the electron to the hydrogen and form the carbanion ion on the alpha carbon. Okay. Now this ethanol become nucleophile. Okay. This single of ethanol become nucleophile because a negative charge with extra lone pair of electron generated on alpha carbon. Hence, this ethanol become nucleophile. Then this nucleophile attack on carbonyl carbon like this way. This nucleophile attack on the carbonyl carbon, a pi electron shifted towards the oxygen. Clear? And this oxygen donated the electron to the hydrogen. You will get beta hydroxyaldehyde. क्लियर क्लियर हो रहा है आपको? फिर से ध्यान दो. Here there are two ethanol. For the preparation of aldol condensation, we have to use the two aldehyde or two ketone. Okay. But what is the condition? Aldehyde and ketone must have one alpha hydrogen atom. So this is one ethanol, this is second ethanol. The carbonyl carbon, the neighbor carbon of the carbonyl carbon is called as alpha carbon. Okay. First reaction take place with this group. The OH, negative part of the OH, donated the electron to the alpha hydrogen atom and formed the carbanion ion on it. Hence, this ethanol become what? Nucleophile. Okay. Then this nucleophile means this negative part attack on the carbonyl carbon. Listen here. Okay, this CHO as it is. See, this part is as it is. There is no any change. Then CH. See, one hydrogen abstracted by the OH. Hence here CH. Okay. Okay. One CH and this one CH. Hence it is this CH and this. There are two CH, two hydrogens. Okay, this carbon directly attach with the carbonyl carbon, means alpha carbon directly attached with this carbonyl carbon. See, this alpha is directly attached with this carbon. Okay, having oxygen, and oxygen donated the electron to the hydrogen, hence it OH form, and this whole part, this was methyl group, hence this is methyl. The resulting product is 3-hydroxybutanol. Yeah, you can say aldol. I think clear up to this aldol product. Clear? It gives the beta hydroxybutanol. Okay, go ahead. Elimination of water molecule take place. Elimination of water molecule take place like this way. Okay, a water molecule eliminated from the alpha beta carbon atom, and resulting product is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Yeah, you can say crotonaldehyde. It is but 2-enal, that is butanol, 2-butanol. Okay, this is for aldehyde. Let's see with the ketone. Here, ketone containing at least two alpha hydrogen also undergoes aldol condensation reaction and gives an alpha beta unsaturated ketone product. See, aldehyde gives alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Same thing here, a ketone gives the alpha beta unsaturated ketones. For that purpose, for the preparation of alpha beta unsaturated ketone, we have to take here ketone as a initial product and starting product. See here carefully. There are toys of propanol, and the common name of this structure is acetone. When this acetone react with the barium hydroxide, this barium hydroxide act as a aqueous alkali again. Correct? Here, see here. This carbonyl carbon, the neighbor carbon is called as the alpha carbon. Here there are two alpha carbon atom. Means there will be three alpha hydrogen atoms. Okay. Okay. First, a reaction take place with the one propanol with barium hydroxide to form the nucleophile, like the previous reaction. And once they form the nucleophile means the negative part of the uh, propanol attack on the second molecule of propanol. The resulting product is beta hydroxy ketone. See here, there are how many carbons in the chain? Three. There are two molecules and there will be six carbon. Correct? See here, one, two, three, four, five, six. As it is, there is no any kind of the change happen here. Okay. Then condensation reaction take place. A water molecule eliminated from the alpha beta carbon. The resulting product is 4-methyl pent 3 in 2 1. Correct? See 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this one is a 5, the longest chain. The 4 position having methyl. There are 5 in the longest chain and 4 methyl pent. Third position having double bond, hence 3 in, and 2 having ketone, hence it is 2 1. The name of this structure is 4 methyl pent 3 in 2 1. I think clear to you. Let's see the next topic, that is cross Aldol condensation. Cross Aldol condensation. Here actually nothing but the Aldol condensation type of the reaction. Okay, means here we have to use the two different aldehydes or two different ketones. If both aldehydes or ketone containing two alpha hydrogen atom each, then a mixture of four products is formed. Means a cross Aldol condensation reaction proceed by two way. One is a self condensation and second is a cross condensation. Okay. Self condensation is an organic reaction in which a chemical compound containing a carbonyl group act both as the electrophiles and the nucleophile in an aldol condensation. Means let's understand with the help of the example. We have ethanol and propanol. Okay, ethanol and propanol both are different aldehydes. In the ethanol having two carbon atom and propanol having three carbon atom, but both have the same functional group, that is aldehyde. Okay, there will be two types of the reaction possible. One is self condensation and second is a cross condensation. Reaction again carried out in presence of aqueous alkali like NaOH. Self condensation means here this ethanol means this twice of ethanol and twice of propanol react mutually with dilute NaOH. The resulting product is a self condensation. Clear? See here, means suppose this, see, this is ethanol. Okay, ethanol having alpha hydrogen atom. Okay, this ethanol react with NaOH, this ethanol form the negative charge on it. Okay, then this negative part of the reagent attack on the same on ethanol. Okay, consider here there will be two of ethanol. The one negative part of the ethanol attack on the carbonyl carbon of the ethanol. Okay, the resulting product is but 2 in, correct? Yeah, crotonaldehyde, butanol. Yeah, crotonaldehyde. Check it. See, there are two carbon and the two molecules of ethanol means resulting product of the self condensation will be 4 carbon. See, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hence, this is crotonaldehyde product. Okay, this is for the ethanol. Let's see what happens to the propanol. Again, see, the neighbor carbon is alpha carbon. The negative part got created on this alpha carbon. This negative again attack on the second molecule of propanol. Clear? This negative part of the propanol attack on the second molecule of propanol on carbonyl carbon. Resulting product is 2-methyl pent 2-enal and 2-enal. Okay, let's check. There are 3 carbon and 2 molecules. 3 to the 6 means resulting product having 6 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, this is 2-methyl pent 2-enal. Sorry, this is simply self condensation reaction. Means reaction take place first mutually. It's called as self condensation. I hope you understand. Let's see the cross condensation. How cross condensation reaction take place? Once you consider this ethanol as a nucleophile, this nucleophile approach toward the carbonyl carbon. Okay, and once the nucleophile approach toward the carbonyl carbon, this carbon having now OH group on it, like this. Okay, the resulting product is what? 2-methyl but 2-enal. After condensation, the resulting product is 2-methyl but 2-enal. Let's check the how many carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one 5. I hope we how to clear this reaction, cross condensation reaction. Once you consider ethanol is a nucleophile and second consider propanol as a nucleophile. See here. Now this alpha carbon, consider this alpha carbon is act as a nucleophile. This nucleophile approach toward the carbonyl carbon of ethanol. A pi electron shifted towards the oxygen abstract the hydrogen, and then you will get the beta hydroxyaldehyde product in the initial stage, and after condensation you will get the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde product, that is pent-2-enal. Okay, you will get the pent-2-enal. Okay, this type of the reaction is called as a cross condensation reaction. Means what happened? Why the reaction is called as a cross condensation? Because reaction take place in between the two different aldehyde or ketone. Okay, see here reaction actually saw with the aldehyde, but reaction can be take place with the ketone also. Keep in mind. There are two different aldehydes. Hence, the reaction is called as a cross aldol condensation. Hope clear. Here, ketone can also be used as one of the components in cross aldol condensation. Means instead of ethanol you can use acetone, instead of propanol you can use propanone, And once the acetone and propanone reaction take place with dilute NaOH, you will get again self condensation and cross condensation product. I hope you have to clear. If you don't understand, try to solve this reaction on copy. And if you don't understand, raise your issue in comment section. Okay. So in recapitulation, we have seen aldol condensation in terms of aldehyde and ketones. Even we have saw today cross aldol condensation with self as well as cross condensation. Okay. Thank you for being with us. Bye bye.